Sure, here's a YouTube script tailored for your channel FK iPhone, focusing on the Oppo A71 2025 edition. It's structured into an engaging intro, features overview, exterior, and design, and a conclusion, all within 600 words. Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we're diving into the latest entry-level contender from Oppo, the A71 2025 edition. If you're on the hunt for a budget smartphone that punches above its weight, this phone might just be worth your attention. Let's break it down and see what Oppo is offering this year in their affordable A-series lineup. Starting with performance, the Oppo A71 2025 edition comes packed with a mid-tier processor optimized for everyday usage. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or playing light games, the phone handles it smoothly with no noticeable lag. It's equipped with enough RAM to keep multiple apps running in the background without crashing or slowing down. Storage-wise, the internal memory is sufficient for general use, and there's also an option to expand it via microSD, which is a big plus in this price range. The user interface is clean and snappy, running on ColorOS built over the latest Android version. Oppo has refined their software experience over the years, and it shows in the fluid transitions and minimal bloatware. You'll find useful features like split screen, smart sidebar, and a range of customization tools that give you more control over how the phone looks and works. The display is another area where Oppo has made solid progress. The A71 features a bright and vibrant panel with good color reproduction and decent viewing angles. It may not be AMOLED, but for its price, the screen gets the job done. Watching content or browsing is pleasant and easy on the eyes, even under direct sunlight. Now let's talk about the cameras. On the rear, you're looking at a single but reliable main sensor that performs well in daylight conditions. The colors are natural, and the images come out with a decent amount of detail. It struggles a bit in low light, as expected, but the night mode tries to balance that with software enhancements. On the front, the selfie shooter is designed for social media-ready photos with built-in beautification options and solid portrait mode performance. Battery life is another strong point. You get a full day of use with ease, even with heavy social media use, video streaming, and occasional gaming. The battery management is smart, and the charging speed is fast enough to keep you moving without long waiting times. It may not support flagship-level charging speeds, but it's efficient and reliable for daily use. When it comes to the exterior and build quality, the A71 2025 sports a modern design with sleek lines and a smooth finish. The plastic body doesn't feel cheap and is lightweight, making it comfortable to hold and use one-handed. The back has a matte texture that resists fingerprints, and the camera bump is subtle, giving it a cleaner look. Button placement is ergonomic, and the phone includes a headphone jack and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which is fast and accurate. In conclusion, the Oppo A71 2025 is a well-balanced device for users looking for solid performance on a budget. It's not trying to compete with flagship devices but delivers exactly what most people need in a daily driver. Smooth performance, a decent display, reliable battery, and a good design all come together to make this a great choice in the budget segment. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews just like this. Catch you in the next one. Let me know if you want a voiceover style version or any edits to suit your style better.